We are given a string, and we want the length of the longest run of characters with no repeats inside it. In the word ABC, ABCBB, the best such run is a BC, which is 3 characters long, because the moment a character repeats the run has to break. How do we find the longest one efficiently? This is a window that can both grow and shrink. We extend the right edge 1 character at a time. As long as everything inside stays distinct, the window keeps growing. But the moment the new character was seen before and is still inside, we slide the left edge forward to just past that earlier copy, which removes the repeat. We remember the last position of every character, so this jump is instant, and we track the widest window we ever managed to hold. We keep a table of the last position where each character appeared, plus the left edge called start, and the best length so far. As we move the right edge to index I, we look at the character there. If we have seen it before, and that copy is still inside the window, we push start to just past it. Then we update the character's latest position and check whether this window beats our best. Let's build it in the live editor, 1 block at a time. We set up a table of last seen positions, the left edge start at 0, and the best length so far at 0. We move the right edge along, and if the new character already sits inside the window, we jump start past that old copy. We record this character's newest position, update the widest window seen, and return the best length. Now, let's test it and hit run. There it is. In ABC, ABC, BB, the longest distinct run is 3. All repeats give 1, and PWWKEW gives 3. The window slides instead of restarting, so it stays fast. The shape is this. Move the right edge to the next character. If that character is already inside the window, jump the left edge past its earlier copy. Record the character's new position, update the widest window, and continue to the end. Both edges only ever move forward, never back. So together they cross the string just once, giving order and time. The table stores each distinct character once, so its size is bounded by the alphabet, order k-space. Checking every substring by hand would have been far slower closer to order n squared. 3 things to watch. Only jump the left edge when the repeated character is actually still inside the window, so compare its stored position against start. Update the character's latest position after you move start, not before. And the width of the window is I minus start plus 1, so do not forget that plus 1.